Even in Technology City, they've still got some cool four-drive cars kicking around. Classic Lada, big wheels. Welcome back to Barely Russian. Today we're actually heading out, we're going on a little excursion to a place that we've driven past many times, and it's always a little bit, you can't really see it from the road. We would drive past it when we drive past from our house down towards Altai, and there's this little area off the side of the road which we've heard a lot about, and we've actually visited partially once, but we really wanted to spend some time and explore a little bit more and just take you guys along and show you a little bit what different parts of Russia are like. So the place that we're visiting today is called Akademgorodok. It reminds me a little bit of maybe some of the university towns in the States. You know, you sort of down, you know, your Massachusetts area where you've got these big universities, and then you've got you know, these beautiful forests all around them, and that's really what Akademgorodok is like. And it's not a hidden town, it's not a closed town, but you have to sort of go off the main road to get here, and that's what gives it a little bit of a mystique and a little bit of you know, what's it really like. But once you sort of come in and explore it, it's a beautiful little area. There's actually a botanical gardens. The forest is so nice here that the botanical gardens are actually based right around here. So we wanted to bring you along. Come along with us, enjoy the video, and we'll show you around. So this is one of the most well-known landmarks in Akademgorodok. It's called Techno Park, and it's a business innovation center where companies that are involved with technology, or you know, the internet or computers, or this building's 14 stories high, and it's the top 2 floors of 13th and 14th floor that they have the connecting walkway. Even in Technology City, they've still got some cool 4-drive cars kicking around. Classic Lada, big wheels. There's the cafes and restaurants all around for people who work here. Can come and have meals. It's very cosmopolitan. Some of the apartment blocks where you can live very close to work. Pop-up cafes. A lot of construction and development going on here. A little bit of the old with the new. As all these new development go up, I guess all the old buildings will slowly be taken down and they'll build new facilities, new apartment blocks, new office blocks. So this is inside the tower. Here's some more of the buildings, different part of the technology parks that are here. And you can see the construction style here is very sort of European. You'd expect to see this somewhere in Holland or Germany or even the back of Switzerland. So this is Novosibirsk State University, and it's very well renowned in Russia. I think it's one of the top 3 universities in Russia, and it's a very popular university. A lot of students come to study here and then obviously go on to work further in their fields. But it's a very nice facility, very well kept, and a lovely campus. The lady who actually runs our language school where we learn Russian actually teaches at this university. So if you wanted to come to Russia and learn Russian, this would be a good university to do it at. It's got very good standards. It's very well recommended. That's a lovely campus. And it's in a lovely area. Akademgordok is a very nice area. Lots of nature around, lots of good facilities around. It's still summer holidays here, so it's much quieter than it would normally be. As part of the town planning for Akademgordok, they try and leave the forest as untouched as possible. And So we just stopped on the side of the road. You can see the white tanks in front of us, and basically what's written on the side is kvass. And kvass is a Russian drink that we love. We've got ourselves some drink for our picnic, and they're not as common as they used to be, but yeah, you'll see these things driving around and people will be selling this cold kvass. It's a fermented drink, and they've got special cooled tanks, like insulated tanks, to keep it nice and cool. And it's a very refreshing drink on a hot summer's day to get yourself some nice kvass and enjoy it. So we're just going to the store to buy some bread. It's 100% naturalny produkty, that's what the sign says. So we're going to see if we've got some nice bread for us to have with our lunch. Wow. All different sorts of kvass you can try.
Lemonade.
Homemade lemonade.
Watermelon lemonade.
Wow.
And mint lemonade.
Yeah.
I think it's not lemonade, it's like a honey powder.
Should we try it? Let's give it a try. That looks like it should be nice. All farm fresh products. So we're driving into the forest to find ourselves a nice spot to have a picnic. This area is no more than 10 minutes away from the heart of the town, and you've got this beautiful place that you can come and enjoy nature and all its surroundings so close to the city. So this is a massive lake that was filled in when they dammed the Ob River, and now there's this huge lake and there's beaches the whole way around. I don't know how much you can see in the background, but yeah, it looks more like a little sea than it does like a lake. Well, we hope you've enjoyed just coming along with us today and showing you around as we explored Academ Gordok a little bit more for ourselves, and just to show you guys along. It's a beautiful spot. You can see the forest. It's just everywhere, and it's a beautiful forest. Lots of parking down here. But if you enjoyed coming with us, I really appreciate it if you give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, follow along, click the notification bell so you can find out whenever we drop a new video. But we had a beautiful day out. We hope you enjoyed it too, and we'll see you on the next one.